The XRP chart is quite ugly, if I'm just going to be frank. You can see we're in a multi-month, almost going on a year at this point, multi-month descending parallel channel. And when we go to the weekly candles, you can see the weekly candles are holding on for support, holding on for dear life. But when you zoom in, you can see we have actually broken down below. And so this to me could be spelling a little bit of trouble. I would wait for XRP to get back into this range. After it gets in the range, you know, you can maybe get in immediately, but I think it's going to maybe retest and then presume it's moved to the upside. I'm a little bit bearish to neutral bearish as long as we're outside of this range, as long as it's being used as resistance. But there is a chance for the bulls. This is the 4-hour candles. You can see it is trying to push into this range, so keep a close eye on XRP. Next altcoin that we're going to be looking at is Chainlink. You can see on the weekly charts, Chainlink also at very, very strong support. Sometimes it's multi-month. This one's multi-year, multi-cycle. And so we're talking about a lot of support at this level. Now, when we go to the daily, you can see, all right, we did wick a little bit below this range. But you're probably also seeing all these white lines. What are all these white lines? Well, the white lines are bull divs that form on the one-day chart. And so you see the price making a lower low, RSI made a higher low. Price, you know, fairly neutral, RSI making a higher low. So we get one. So it just happens in cycles. We get two of them together right there. We get two more bull divs together right there. We get two more bull divs together right here. And right now we have actually printed our first, I would say definitely at least a hidden divergence here. You see the price is pretty flat, largely flat, but the RSI is shooting to the upside. So they call this hidden divergence. But just be a little bit careful because it does come in twos. So maybe look at hitting this support line. That's where I would start buying some more Chainlink. Now, what happens if Chainlink loses this level? I would look at the previous floor. The previous support is going to be right around 550. Keep an eye out on that range. If we dip below that, probably going to have a pretty good shot at dipping below $6. So you heard it here first.